everyone, I'm Sumana Roy. Welcome to Blissful Times. Today's topic is declutter your mind. Before starting the topic, talking about the topic, I would like to ask one thing. Do you declutter your mobile? I think everybody does that, isn't it? Why we declutter our mobile? We declutter our mobile because we think if the mobile is being overloaded, it will not work nicely or the speed will be reduced. So, the way we declutter our mobile, we should also declutter our mind. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. You will get some tips regarding your health and wealth. So, today's topic, declutter your mind. Decluttering means organizing the things in a proper way so that we get the things easily available and we remove the things which are not required for us anymore. Like we declutter our wallet, we declutter our workstation, we declutter our study table. Many things we declutter from our home also. But why? Decluttering things means we are throwing out the things which are not working, or we are removing the things which we don't want, isn't it? So, when we feel that we should declutter our house, we should declutter our mobile, the same way we should also think of our mind, which is very important. Our mind is governing everything what we are doing. So if we will not declutter our mind, we will fill our mind with lots of things which is actually not required for us. So to declutter our mind, I would like to share some tips, or I would like to share some view which I feel I should talk about with my family, my Blissful Times family. The first thing what we should do to declutter our mind, remove all the negative thoughts, remove all the negativity from your mind, remove the people around you, those people who are giving you negative thoughts, we are giving you negative vibes, who are not making you feel good, with whom you don't feel like you are learning something, you are gaining something. Remove those people from your life. Removing doesn't mean that I will hold that person and I will ask him or her to go out from my life or go out from my house. Removing the people means I will do something that will not affect me. Like I will not listen to the negative things which the person wants to share with you, or I will not give that space that he will come and talk to you about the things which is not required. That is the first thing. For this, you have to practice little things in your life, because you cannot say your brain that close the door of your brain and now I will not listen, or I will not do things which is negative, which is not for me. but you have to practice little things to make understand, to give that information to your brain that this is not for me. Like you will sit, you will make yourself calm, and when the thoughts will come to your mind, you just do something like listen to positive music, do something which gives you positive vibes, or just sit calm and quiet. This will also do. Now, the second thing is take out some time for yourself. At least take out 10 minutes from this 24 hours. 10 minutes for yourself, just for yourself. What we say is me time. Take out your me time and sit with yourself. Even Swami Vivekananda has said that you should take out at least 10 minutes from your daily routine for yourself and see and learn about yourself. Understand who you are, what you want. Sit alone. Sit somewhere where you are lonely and you are with you. You can go for a walk and you can sit there also for 10 to 15 minutes. Close your eyes and think of yourself. Think what you like the most, what you feel, what gives you happiness, the things which you want to do, or the things which make you feel very happy, and just be with yourself. And yes, last but not the least, the most important thing is make your brain busy. Learn new things. Every 6 months, you should learn something new. This makes your brain active. This makes your brain work efficiently. And when you make your brain busy, it will not get time to think of negative things. Negative thoughts will not come to you. As you all know, empty mind, devil's workshop. So we should not make our mind devil's workshop, but we should make our mind angel's workshop. Create something beautiful, create something new, learn something which gives you happiness, which gives you satisfaction. Do something which make your mind busy. When you will do all this thing, you will feel highly satisfied and you will feel that yes, you are doing something which is just for you. And with this, you will grow to be a positive person, and you will also make other people feel positive. Because when we are positive, we create a positive aura around us, and this aura is so beautiful that the people who are sitting with you or the people who are with you, they also feel the positivity around them. And now, as I told you, there will be a tips you can say, or there will be a thing I would like to share for your house also. According to Vastu, we should also declutter our home. If we keep things, lots of things which are not in use, which are kept for a long time, which are just kept like that idly, we don't move those things, we don't use those things, that creates a negative vibes, and that creates a Vastu dosh, what we say in Hindi, Vastu dosh. Because when we are keeping those things for a long time, it becomes negative. and the area around that thing becomes negative. And it is also related with our Saturn and Rahu. They get that energy, and it is not good for our house as well as for us. So to welcome prosperity, to welcome wealth, make your house declutter, make your mind declutter. When you will make your mind declutter, it will think positive things, and it will grow positively, and it will work efficiently. And when you will make your home decluttered, it will create a positivity all around, and it will remove all the negative vibes from your home. And where there is positivity, there is prosperity. So to welcome prosperity, declutter everything which is not required, and be positive, think positive, and do positive work. And yes, one positive thing is, do like and subscribe and share my videos so that I can come regularly and talk to you and talk to my family, my Blissful Times family. Have a blissful times.